Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. So for tonight's video, this is going to be for one of my top gifters, so check the comments down below. However, this reading may also resonate with, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, so secrets, mga patagong mga diskarte. Eight of Pentacles is about money, promotion, or progress after working so much. So I don't know, maybe merong pending na promotion for you, pending na salary raise, or maybe merong like bonus or reward for doing a great job or being dedicated sa isang task na na-assign sa'yo. Pero Seven of Swords is be quiet about it. Especially if you know around you, this is the card of the thief. So, especially if aminado ka na around you merong inggit, or let's say for example, this is a race, siguro merong magnanakaw sa paligid mo, malikot ang kamay, or pwede rin na this is someone na pag nalaman nilang may possible progress ka, gagawa sila ng paraan to sabotage your opportunities. So, be quiet about it. Okay, now, ano pang isang advice pa? The World card jumped out. So, parang, tsaka mo na i-reveal pag tapos na. Pag finalize na, hindi na kayang bawiin, nakuha mo na yung reward, or maybe nakatanggap ka na ng bonus, or mas maganda, nagamit mo na yung bonus, or na-promote ka na. Basta kung pending pa, huwag mo munang ikwento kung kani-kanino. Huwag mong ipagkalat, huwag mong sabihin. And if you're going to do that, possible outcome is Ace of Wands reversed. So, yun nga, yung may plano na panibago regarding sa progress mo na hindi magagawa. Kasi bad yung timing. Nine of Pentacles in reversed, parang do not forget pa rin to share your blessings with people na tumulong sa'yo, naging concern sa'yo, nagpakita ng care towards you, or tinulungan ka rin dun sa task na nakatoka sa'yo. Okay? So, it's okay to be quiet. Pero parang be quiet to everyone regarding this opportunity, this good news. Pero parang once andyan na, kasi Eight of Pentacles is money so pwedeng may monetary advantage siya sa'yo. So, let's say for example, bonus to, salary raise, parang tsaka mo na sabihin pag nakuha mo na. And then, ang bigyan mo, yung tumulong sa'yo, yung concern sa'yo, yung hindi ka binabaliwala, yung kahit walang kailangan sa'yo, naaalala ka. Sila unahin mo. Okay? The rest, yung mga opportunists sa paligid, be quiet about it, tapos mas maganda yung wala na, nagastos na yung pera, tsaka mo lang sasabihin, actually, I received the bonus, I received a reward. Or kung malalaman nila from other source, edi confirm mo. Pero you're not required to actually, announce it, and then share it randomly with people who knows. Kasi yun nga, pinagpaguran mo yan. So, namnamin mo, ikaw ang nagpagod, ikaw ang nagsumikap, you call the shots on how to spend your money. Okay? So there. That's for you. And if you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private message, okay? That'll be all. Bye.